Good morning. So I'm back here again on the island like no other, Thorpe Park, and yes, I'm outside Project Exodus construction site for my second visit to Thorpe Park officially. That's 2 times for Club 236, and this will be my 5th construction update. So let us see. Wow. Oh, there's the lake in the background, but so far it looks really quite level. Definitely can see part of the lake. Just got an infinite, I reckon. And yeah. Wow, I was gonna say there's a big chainsaw there. Big chainsaw. And what's over here? So far, I reckon it's more or less getting leveled. So far, can't really see much apart from the other fence by Monk's Walk. Obviously there's a crane going. Oh. But yeah, obviously that's the new logo. So it looks like obviously there is water, well, I don't know if it's partially infilled by the lake. So wrap up time from for my Project Exodus construction update. Yesterday being Tuesday the 18th of April, I finally went back down to Thorpe Park in Chertsey, Surrey, just outside London. Yeah, I mean, when I had a look around like the Project Exodus construction site, I want to say like there is partial water now. I don't know if that's going to be like the splashdown. I don't know if there's like a splashdown moment just before the final brake run. I know I have seen plenty of Jack's construction update videos, and he has like done a recreation video. I'm sure there was like a splashdown moment just before coming into the final brake run, but it's really hard to say. I haven't seen any supports yet, even though this was like yesterday. I mean, obviously English weather, it's not the best, so I don't know if that's delayed it somewhat or it's really hard to say. So yeah, that's it for this particular construction update video. I know I'm not really at Thorpe Park now. I mean, the trouble with that, when I went down to Thorpe Park, I left, well, I had to get the 5 o'clock coach from Birmingham Digbeth. Got to Thorpe, like I said, just before 10 o'clock. Got to London, I want to say about between 8 and quarter past. So, yeah, yeah, between 8, quarter past 8. But obviously that was from London, Victoria. Now, obviously to get to Digbeth, I left mine just after 11 p.m. at night, so I was like more or less travelling through the night. I got to Digbeth about 12:30 at the night, and yeah, it wasn't the best. By the time 12 o'clock come, I thought I've got to get back home. That's why I didn't wrap up this video until now, after just finishing work. So yeah, that's it for this particular construction update video on Project Exodus. If you enjoyed it, please do hit the like, thumbs up button. Help this video get pushed further out. I'm also trying saying the operative word. I'm using a new gimbal that John from Kelly Family Adventures sent me. It's meant to lock, but so for some odd reason it keeps on knocking itself off. I've had to like switch off the gimbal, restart it. Like I said, please do hit the thumbs up, like button. Please do leave me a comment about this particular project Exodus construction update. And lastly, if you haven't already, please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Dave's Adventures. So yeah, till the next video, bye, and see you soon. Bye everyone, take care.